Jeremy coming at you from Mellow Vapes in Statesville, and today I'm coming at you with an exciting new mod that we're carrying here in our store. It is the Iron Fist by Uwell. And Uwell is something that we've carried in our store, well, there's the brand, it's something we've carried in our store for a very long time. They've made a number of different fantastic tanks. They've made all of the Valerian tanks as well as all of the Crown tanks. And with this mod, you actually get the Crown 3 on top, which is a fantastic tank. It's a pretty decent sized tank with really good coils in there and a lot of coil options. Not very prone to leaking and things like that. In fact, there's no really screwing of the coil in. It's just press fit. I mean, it's just all around a fantastic tank, and it's a fantastic mod to go with it. So, nice sleek screen, nice grips, rigid grips on the side. Just an all-around fantastic feel to the mod, as well as combined with good flavor from the tank. So minimum resistance about 1.1 on this, and it goes up to 3 ohms. It's got a range of over 200 watts. It's just an all-around fantastic setup for somebody who's looking to get into vaping because it's not that expensive. So hope to see some of you all out for one of these. Everyone have a wonderful weekend.